iPhone SE2 will definitely come out. Who should buy it? Smartphone for many. Apple will launch its new low-cost iPhone SE2 smartphone in early 2020. Now this is practically a confirmed fact, since the launch of the smartphone was announced by Min-Chi Kuo himself, the most respected analyst from the world of Apple. Over the past few years, he has never been mistaken in his predictions, so you can trust 100%. Okay, iPhone SE2 will be released. But who should buy it? All found out in this material. iPhone SE2 is not a new compact iPhone. The first thing to know is that the iPhone SE2 will not be compact. In fact, it will be the iPhone 8 with a new stuffing. That is how Kuo described the smartphone. According to him, iPhone SE2 will receive a design and display like the iPhone 8, but a modern processor. Moreover, according to an insider, the iPhone SE2 will be the flagship chip A13 Bionic, which is the fastest in the world. The performance of the iPhone SE2 will be impressive. But the display on the smartphone will not be 4-inch, like the previous iPhone SE. The screen size is 4.7 inches. Compared to other modern smartphones, it is quite compact. However, the truly miniature iPhone SE2 will not be. Therefore, for fans of the iPhone SE form factor, unfortunately, the new product will not be an ideal purchase. For whom, then, iPhone SE2? Right now, there are around 100 million iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus users worldwide. The new iPhone SE2 with a low price tag will be designed specifically for them. This was announced by the same analyst Min-Chi Kuo, who is sure that the iPhone SE2 will be a hit. Apple will be able to sell 30 to 40 million iPhone SE in 2020, the expert believes. iPhone 4.7 with an 4.7-inch display, a powerful modern processor, other improved features and an adequate price will be an excellent purchase for the army of owners of iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus. And here you have to give credit to Apple. The company noticed that users of the iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus do not want to part with their smartphones. The main reason is, of course, the high price of new models. In the spring of 2020, Apple will offer them a much cheaper device, which will be much better than the 6's in terms of performance. Then a massive wave of updates will begin. Are you planning to buy an iPhone SE2?